Hi everyone, today we are going to make a quick vegetable biryani using pressure cooker. For that first we have to grind a masala. For that we need a few garlic cloves, a piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 3 cloves, 2 cinnamon, 1 cardamom and 3 small onions. These are needed. First we have to grind this and let's check out what to do next. Here I am directly using a cooker. I am adding 2 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon ghee. When it's get heated, add 2 bay leaves, 2 big onions and 2 green chilies slit. I have sliced the onions. Roast it until the onions gets golden brown color. You can add some little bit salt so that the onions cook very soon. Here I am adding the grinded masala paste. Mix everything well and cook. After, here I am adding 2 tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes gets very soft. If it is very sticky means you can add some oil. Mix everything well and after that we are going to add some powders. I'm adding a pinch of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons sambar powder. If you don't have sambar powder means you can add 2 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Based on the spiciness you need, you can add more or less the red chili powder. Here I am adding 2 teaspoon curd. Mix everything well and add some mint and coriander leaves. Mix everything well. I'm adding vegetables, carrot, beans, potato and soya beans. If you are adding soya beans means you have to put it in hot water and you have to squeeze the water out before adding it into the cooker. For 1 cup siraga sambar rice, it needs 2 cups of water. Here I'm adding salt for taste. When the water gets to boil, you can add the rice. Again at the top I am adding mint and coriander leaves. Okay. Close the cooker and cook it for 2 whistles in medium flame. I have soaked the siraga sambar rice for half an hour and when the whistles gets down you can open the cooker and you can serve hot. Mix it gently so that the rice will not break. Tasty vegetable biryani is ready to serve. If you like this video, do hit like and subscribe to my channel. And this is Aarti. We'll meet you all in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.